look at this beauty, the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR. What a fast bike! Way faster than I can ride it. It is a joy. It is beautifully styled. I am still not sold on a front headlight and the fairing here, but as I've been riding it, I'm liking it more and more. The first impression were definitely of that's a bad design, but it's kind of growing on me. The rest of it is really sleek, very beautiful. The color scheme is lovely. I love the white speckles, the speckles in the white paint, and when you're sitting on it, it's really aggressive. You feel you want to race it, and it is really quite track-oriented bike, I think. I'm standing here next to the highest pub in Wales in February. It's quite cold. And why am I telling you this? The bike is fitted with Pirelli Diablo Super Corsa tyres, which are fantastic on track, dry, warm roads. Not so good on the Welsh roads where there is sheep everywhere, and you feel every bump and every slide, and it's kind of fun and also a little bit scary at the same time. The seating position is quite aggressive. My back and my bum certainly felt it after about 20 minutes of riding. While the seat is quite soft to touch, the whole position while you're on it is quite, shall we say, it's quite aggressive. Your knees are quite bent. I am riding in big touring boots as well, so changing gears is not the easiest. However, this bike has got the smoothest quick shifter of any other bike I've ridden before. Even at low revs, it changes without complaining. There's no jerkiness, there's no pulling. It's just smooth at any speed, at any rev. The bike is keyless, which is new to me, and it takes some getting used to, especially when I managed to lock the steering in a car park, and it took me a couple of minutes to figure out how to unlock it. So here you have the different modes, which go from rain, road, sport, track, and individual rider, of course. As I mentioned before, quite a few buttons on the right hand side. But that's not all. There are many more on the left. So you have to maybe think a little bit what you're pressing as you're riding. But look at that. Quite aggressive kind of look, and you do feel like you just want to go faster and faster. She's a view though.